This reminds me a little bit of the Olaplex number 6. Pretty sure this is half the price. This Nexxus line has kind of revolutionized my hair. I'm actually kind of shocked how much stronger my hair feels. Really liking this line so far. The Amino Bond Repair System, shampoo, conditioner, intense rebond treatment, and Epic Shine anti-humidity spray. Look how nice my hair looks right now. Girl. The shampoo feels really good. I always shampoo twice. Conditioner feels really good as well, but I think this is where I've really noticed the magic. The intense rebond treatment. This reminds me a little bit of the Olaplex number 6. Also a bond smoother, a leave-in styling treatment, adds moisture, strengthens. That is essentially what this does as well. This, I want to say, was $14, and I'm pretty sure these all run like $30. Needs heat activation. So I will have to go in with my blow dry brush, which I find very annoying because I don't blow dry my hair like ever. This is an intense shine spray with heat activated technology to shield every strand from moisture and humidity, leaving nothing but long lasting weightless shine. 72-hour humidity shield, 48-hour frizz control. Apply it liberally to damp hair. Blow dry to activate, then style as usual. She naughty. By that, I mean not naughty. It's always a little bit disappointing to me when I have to brush my hair when the waves look so good fresh out of the shower, but that section. What does liberally mean? It smells not good, by the way. Now, what I can never fully figure out is it says you have to apply to damp hair and then blow dry to activate, then style as usual. But what if I let my hair air dry and then I came back later and went over it a few times with this? Like, what then? Like, does my hair need to be soaking wet from the moment of heat activation? I ask myself that every time and nobody ever has an answer. Okay, kind of period with this. I don't know if it's 100% dry, but it's mostly dry. What I didn't love is it's a little bit sticky, so it's uncomfortable to like play with your fingers, but once it's dry, that kind of goes away. Do you guys see like a shine to it? Ooh. It's cute. I think the whole head is gonna be really cute. Wow, I kind of love that. Okay. The stickiness is definitely gone down to when it first, like this is sticky. That is half of my hair done. If I was using rollers and like putting it back into rollers, I feel like it would look like the prettiest blowout. But I don't have my rollers, so instead we have whatever this is. There's definitely a shine. That's pretty. The problem is, it is sort of a stickiness. I don't know. It doesn't feel good to like run my fingers through it. Maybe as it dries, that stickiness goes away because the more I play with it, the better it gets. But there was a second there where I was like, I'm never gonna be able to use this again. I hate the way it feels. My hair is definitely not dry completely on this side, or straight completely on this side. If I have to wield this thing around any longer, I'm just gonna. So here's the other side. It looks good, like overall. I am just a very like tactilely sensitive person. That is to say I'm autistic. The stickiness, I'm not loving. I really like the way it looks, lighter than usual. This side especially looks really nice. I'm actually kind of shocked how much stronger my hair feels after using this line, how much healthier it looks. And part of that is definitely because of the shine spray. Glossier hair just looks healthier. I think my hair looks really pretty. Despite the stickiness, I am very satisfied with how my hair looks right now. But it says 72-hour humidity shield and 48-hour frizz control. So it is like 6:30 p.m. right now. I will check in tomorrow and the next day to see how the hair still looks. And the weird smell of this went away, for sure. Okay, 'tis the next day, almost 24 hours later, and I'm back in Chicago. Here's how my hair looks pre-brush. I think the brush is gonna change a lot of things. It's pretty tangled. My hair naturally gets pretty tangled. I think I just should have 100% dried it with the hair dryer instead of like 95% drying it. There's definitely the dimension on my hair more than usual. The hair videos always do that. I did not know my hair looked like that all day. This stuff makes me and my hair look and feel more put together than I actually am. Okay. If I had done it with curlers the first time, like wrapping it up in curlers as I was blow drying it out, and if I had slept in like a protective hairstyle like braids or something, I think it would look even better than it does right now. You can't lie, there's like some shine. Actually on this side, I feel like this side looks better because I did a better job. I'm gonna add some Kerastase oil. This stuff is so good. The smell is divine. This stuff soaks into my hair like a sponge. This just became my new favorite Nexxus line.